what's up? Yeah, listen.
I know we said it's best we don't talk no more, but I gotta get it off my chest about all the shit I've been hearing, babe.
Hey DBRIGHT squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am showing you guys how to keep your off the shoulder top in place. You know how it moves around all the time? I have a trick for you guys to help you keep it in place just where it's supposed to be. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this video you're gonna need 2 elastic bands, or if you have hair ties, that works as well. You just need 2 of them and you'll be just fine. Then you will need 4 safety pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 safety pins for this video. Okay, so it's very simple. You're going to get your off the shoulder top. This is my off the shoulder top. Very simple. So as you can see, this is the sides of it. So you're just gonna reach in. We're gonna start with this side. You're just gonna go from the inside here. You see how inside the shirt you can see where you put your arms in. Now you guys can already see the elastic band. I already put it in. I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. So you see how there's a part for you to put your hand and there's a space there. So right before you put in your hand, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, right before you put in your hand, you're going to put the safety pin and the elastic band like attached to those sides, so to the back and the front, as you guys can see there. Very simple. This is the inside of the shirt. I think if I show it this way, you guys will understand it more. So that's the back of the shirt. This is the front of the shirt. You're just putting a safety pin that's attaching to the elastic band at the front, and a safety pin that is attaching the elastic to the back, so back and front like that, so that when you put your arms in, the elastic band is actually under your armpit. So it's going under your armpit so that when you put your hands up, it just stays in that position and doesn't come all the way up like a regular shirt. So that's what it allows it to do. Very simple. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. It was very simple. So you're just gonna take your safety pin, you're just gonna open it up. Easy. This is what I like to do first. I put my safety pin through and put the elastic like that. And I just always start from the front to the back. Like as you guys can see, it's already done, but I will show you how I did it. And then I just put it through from the front. So this is literally the area if you look at it. So I'm gonna start from the back to the front actually. So you can see this in the back, just in the corner right here, right? Like literally, if you can't find the area, it's literally the area right near your shoulder. You're gonna put that through, okay? And then you're gonna close the safety pin. So it's literally gonna look like this. You see how, it's like this is just beside, just like how I did it for the other one. So literally it's just through there, okay? All right, and then you're gonna take the other end and you're just gonna go right across to the front. So you're gonna attach it to the front, right there. You're gonna take your other safety pin, easy peasy, and you're just gonna put it through as well. But yeah, so I have it on right now. As you guys can see, my hands are going up and it is still in place. You guys know how it is. You guys know the struggle of having a top, off the shoulder top, that keeps rising up and does not stay in place. This is the perfect solution. I will show you guys exactly where it sits. The hair tie or elastic band is literally just under the armpit in both sides, and it just allows it to just stay in place. Nothing moves. It's really good. It's very helpful, especially in the summer where you want to move around but you can't. So this is how it looks like. Very easy. And yeah, thank you so much DBRIGHT squad for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video. I'm going to have so many more how-to videos coming up. I'm back on YouTube, so I'm excited. Can't wait for you guys to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!